Welcome to Guaranty. My name's Eric.Kaneshiro. I'm here to show you today. This is a used 2018 Forest River Crusader. Nice thing about this is really short. It's a 26E model. So if you follow me around, we'll take a look at this. This is used, just came in. If we look up in front here, we have lots of storage. So we have lots of underbelly storage. If you notice, this is held on by magnets on top here, so you don't have the little clips to hold on to it, which makes it really nice. You do have a power awning here with an LED strip and outside speakers. And you do have an outside kitchen on here, which is really nice. So you have your stove, lifts up, and you have a refrigerator, lots of room in here, and you have extra storage out here. So that's really nice for an exterior storage. Going around the back here, this right here is for a portable barbecue, so you can swing that out, and there's an attachment underneath for your propane line. So if you want to put your barbecue out here, you don't have to bring your grill, it's just a portable barbecue. Again, this is a shorter fifth wheel, very hard to find. The one unique thing, it has tables and chairs. You got a couch that folds into a bed. This comes with a 50-inch LCD TV. Nice sound system in here, so for a very small fifth wheel, if that's what you're looking for, small and lightweight, there's plenty of room in here. You got your refrigerator. It's a Norcold and a freezer. This does come with a microwave and an oven. And there's actually some good counter space in here for a 26-footer. A couple other nice features here. You have coat hooks for here when you come in the door. This has a nice big bathroom here. The shower is a lot bigger than most RVs, especially for a 26-footer. That square shower is a lot bigger than the little corner showers. Coming into the bedroom here, you have a full-size queen bed. It is a longer bed, so it's not a 75-inch, that's an 80-inch bed. You have lots of storage on the sides next to the bed. And your closet space will be located right here towards the front of the bed. And you have lots of dresser drawers. So what's really neat about this is a 26-foot fifth wheel. If you're looking for a short fifth wheel, this is it. We just got it, it's a 2018. And we'll walk around again to the front. There's storage up on the front. You have the tight turning radius on the front, so this will work on a short bed pickup truck with a slider hitch on it. And you have power landing gears, and you do have a solar battery charger outlet, if I can open it up. And that's where you plug your solar panels into. So again, this is a 2018 26E Forest River Crusader. If you have any questions, please call me. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro, 541-912-4396. Thank you very much.